Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Mohammed Mudassar. Today we are going to discuss MS Excel 2021. Going to the Home tab, we have the Sales group, in which we have the first command, Insert. If you click on the Insert drop-down, you will get 4 more commands. Insert cells, Insert sheet daily, Insert sheet columns. Insert sheet means our topic of the day. If you are familiar with MS Excel, if you need a new sheet, new row, new cell, or new column, how do you insert them? Before I start the video, I'll say this in case you learn anything from this video or something new. If you can learn, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. So let's go. Let's go to today's lecture. Click on the drop-down of the Insert, and we have the first command. What is an insert cell? This means that if you want a new cell in MS Excel, you have to do it. All you have to do is click where you want the new cell, like I did here. Then you have to click on the drop-down of Insert, then you have to insert cells. If you click on it, an insert dialog box will open in front of you like this. Then you have to click on Shift Sales Done. Then you have to click on OK. Then you have to click on New. The cell will be found. After that, we have the command Insert Sheet Rows, which means if you want to do this, you have to click on the place where you want to add a new one. I want a new row, like I want here, I want a new row above the name where after clicking, I want to write the name of my organization, you will see the drop-down of Insert. Click on the Insert Sheet row, then click on New Row. After that, we have the command Insert Sheet Column if you want to create a new one. If you want to do this, you have to click on the place where you want to add a new one. I want a column like I clicked here under the subject, and then you clicked on the Insert dropdown. Click on, and then you click on Insert Sheet Columns, then you will see you will get a color. Similarly, if you want a new sheet, what should you do for it? You have to click on the Home tab, then you will find a group here for sales, then up. Here you have to click on the drop-down of the answer, then you have to click on the Insert Sheet. If so, you will get a new sheet. The second way is to click here, plus. Click on the symbol above, and here you will get a new sheet. The method is as follows. You right-click on any sheet, then you have to click on Insert, and then if you click on OK, you will get a new sheet. So that was our lecture for today, in which we discussed how do we create new sheet, new row, new column, and new cell in MS Excel. You can insert. If you liked this video, like the video, and be sure to share. See you in the next lecture. Until then, God bless.